Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're like me and juggle tons of documents on WhatsApp from your PC, you've probably wished for an easier way to jump straight back to the chat where that file landed. Well, with the latest WhatsApp update for desktop, there's a super handy feature that lets you do just that. Go directly to the message from your received documents list. No more endless scrolling through chats. Today, I'm walking you through it step by step. It's quick, it's simple, and it'll save you so much time. First things first, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to the newest version. WhatsApp usually notifies you if there's an update available. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You'll spot a media icon there, kind of like a little image or file symbol. Give that a click and it opens up your shared media view. Now, from the options that pop up, select Docs. This pulls up all the documents you've received, neatly organized so you can browse them easily. Scroll or search until you find the one you're after. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of the Docs window, there's a sort icon. Looks like a filter or arrows. Click that, and from the drop-down, pick Others. This sorts your files in a way that makes lesser used ones easier to access without cluttering the top spots. Spot your document? Right-click on it. A menu appears, and right there, you'll see Go to Message. Click that, and boom, WhatsApp whisks you straight back to the exact chat and message where it was shared, no digging required. That's it, folks. 7 straightforward steps to reclaim your productivity. This update is a game changer for anyone handling work files, invoices, or PDFs on WhatsApp. Give it a try next time you're hunting for that one doc, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you or if you ran into any hiccups. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.